Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to operate LED 660 lights by Sutefoto. This is Sutefoto. This is not my regular type of video at all, but irrespective of the type of video I do, it is aimed at making life easy for us and enjoying life. And this video is going to make life easy for you because for me it was so hard because I got a new light, LED 660. Let me show it to you. I got a new LED 660 light and I was trying to operate it. I searched the Google, I searched online. In fact, I literally spent a whole night trying to operate this. I went online and I was seeing more of newer products, yes, but not Sutefoto product. So this video is going to explain to you in details how to operate this. It's not an unboxing video actually because it's not my regular kind of video. It's majorly to show you how to operate, not to unbox. That's why it's already out of the box. In fact, this is the box already. So now, straight to what we have to discuss. This is LED 660 light. What it's trying to say is there are 660 bulbs, tiny bulbs here. 660 bulbs are here. And the bulbs that are in this light comes in yellow and in white light. We have the yellow and we have the white light. Actually, this is one of a frame to just cover it as a shield. It comes with a magnet. There is this magnet here. So it's very easy to, in case you want to use the frame, you can just place it easily. It's magnetized to the light without a problem. That was not easy. And it has two frames actually. This is the other one. This is for the yellow bulb. I've told you there is yellow light and a white light. So I think it is like slave and master. I don't know which one is slave or master. But okay, so this is one, the yellow one for the yellow light. It's the same thing, magnetized. You just, it's super easy to place. So this wasn't my problem at all and very easy to remove. To remove it, you just place your hand here and remove it. This one is very simple. It's as simple as that. Now, let's go to the real deal. So let me replace this one back to it. Replaced. Now let's go to operating it. First of all, let me just show you this part of it before we go to the operation. It comes with a tripod stand, or is it called tripod? A stand. I think it's not tripod. It's not, I don't know. It's a tripod. It looks more like a tripod anyway. So it comes with a stand, and the stand is very long. It can go higher than this. Like you just turn it here. I don't know. So you loosen up this place and you bring it out. It is as simple as this. And this is not the highest level. It can go even higher. So this same knob is right below here. So I turned it as it is. You can see it coming down. So I'm going to take it up. It can go as high as this. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if my camera is showing it well. It can go as high as that. So it is very convenient. In fact, they call it studio light. It's more of a studio light, very professional. Now, this is it, and it's very, very bright. Okay, let me switch it on so that you know how bright it is. And you can actually turn it around. You can see me turning it with ease, so you don't always have to carry it. To switch it on, it has battery, and it can also use light directly. These two holes are for the batteries, while you can also use it for light. Right now, I'm using it with a light because I've not connected the batteries. To use it with a light, you switch it on towards the side. You are going to see a wire-like design. Let me show it to you more clearly. You will see a wire-like design right here. So this is for the light. So you see, it is on now. You can see, I don't know if you can see the reflection of how bright it is. I've switched it on. You can increase it here and decrease it. So this is 1. This is 25% because it has 100%. This is 50%. This is 75%, and this is 100%. You can increase the percent. That is for the second button from the left side, no, from the right side where I am, right side. Second button is for increasing the brightness of the light. So that is that. Now let's go to the group. It comes with How many groups? A, B, C, D, E, F. It comes with 6 groups, and also it comes with 48 channels. You know, at first I just felt like these things were just names. They were no big deal because I tested them and I could not even see the difference. But over time, I got to see that they were different, and that's why I'm doing this video, to teach us and to enlighten us on this particular product. Now, these are the groups. I don't know if you can see the A, B, C, D, E, F. Those are the groups, and this is presently as channel 1. The CH here, that's the first button from the left hand side. The CH is 1. That's the channel. The CH is for channel. So it's at 1. If you want to change the channel, you click on the CH, then it starts blinking. I don't know. I hope you can see how it is blinking now. So when it starts blinking, then with this button here, this particular knob, you switch whatever channel when you click it, you switch the channel you want it to be. So 5, 9, 4, 7, and you can also change the groups you want them to be. It's as simple as that. So now there is a very important thing you need to know about this light. I've said it earlier. It comes in white and yellow. Presently is in all white. It can also be in white and yellow. Okay, this is it. You click it. This is 8K. Now the middle, this is the white and yellow. This is the white and yellow light, and it can also be in only yellow light. So I want to put it in only yellow light. So it is presently at the yellow light. Okay, I've shown you the yellow alone, only yellow light. I've shown you the yellow and white, and I've shown you the white light. This, let me go over it again. This is the yellow light. This is the yellow and white. And this is the white light. Now, let's go to the back so that I can tell you how to switch from yellow and white to white or to yellow. Like how to switch within these 3. It is right here. So this button, it can move up, it can move down. You can use it to increase the volume, or you can use it to reduce the volume of the light. I mean the brightness, not volume, anyone. The brightness of the light, and reduce it. But when you want to switch between the white, yellow, or white and yellow, you click on it. Immediately you click on it, it starts to blink. This 8000K means it's presently at white light, and that is the highest for it. So it's at 8000K, 100% white light. I hope you can see the reflection. Now you can see the reflection of the white light. This 8000K is like the highest for the white light, and that's the highest listing of the light, the brightness in the white light. I actually don't know the meaning of K. Like I said, I'm not a tech lady. I just want to tell you how to operate it so that you won't go through the same orders I went through. Now, to change it to the yellow and white light, you click on it again. It starts to blink. When it starts to blink, you reduce it. Now, have you noticed that the type of light on my paper is now different? And that is it. So this 6000K and all. Now this is to increase the brightness. Why? Because it's no more blinking. The light is made in a way that when you click on something, you can use this one to increase the percentage or reduce it, whichever one you want to do. You raise it like this, like clockwise to increase, while you take it anti-clockwise to reduce it. Take note. Now, to know whatever it is you're working on, you click. If you are working on the channel, you click the channel start blinking. Is at 13 presently. If I want to reduce it, what do? Anti-clockwise. Now it's at 8. But if I wanted to increase the channel, I click it. Clockwise is at 18 presently. I'm just using that for an example. Now, if you want to work, that is for the channel. If you want to work on the type of light, you click on this particular button. This was the one I clicked for the channel, the CH. This is the one you click to increase the light or reduce the light. You click on it. You get it? And you now want to change the light to only white. You do what? You increase it. Now it is at only white. Just take note of this. It is at only white. I want it to stop blinking. It has stopped blinking. Now I want to increase it. This is it at only white. Now I want to take it to white and yellow. At 6,000 is like the best for the white and yellow. It's at white and yellow. I don't know if you get what I mean by white and yellow. This is the white and yellow. So you can see the yellow, white, yellow, white, yellow, white, just like that. That is the white and yellow. Now, to click it to only yellow, you click on this again, it starts blinking, and you reduce it. Now, to reduce, I said anti-clockwise, right? So I take it down like this. You can even see the reflection already, very yellow. For those who want to have any beautiful, all this, shady kind of light for their vlog or whatever, this is a very good one, a very nice, like, it's like not the colored RGB lights, but it's really not bad. It's going to be good for it. I'm going to do a video on how it, maybe my next video I'll use a yellow light so I'll know the effect it gives. So that is it on how to operate this. Now this is the yellow light alone. So that is that about the light and how to switch from a channel to the other. Meanwhile, I would like to add, it can use a Bluetooth. The second button after the channel is for Bluetooth. I think you'll get a remote. I've not used that one, so I may not be able to tell you much. But I think I have a tripod that has a remote. You just connect your Bluetooth to it. Maybe you click on it. It has a screen. Of course, you can see it has a LED screen already. So I think it should be able to connect. Let me switch it on to know how that works too. Okay, this is how to connect the remote, I guess. So you literally connect the remote and do it anyhow you want to do it. I've told you already how to switch it on. This is for the electric and this is for the battery. Now let us go to the battery. I have my batteries here already. You can see the two spaces for the battery. So there are two batteries, obviously. To insert the battery, it's more like there is a place with two I don't know what to call it. I'm not a technician, but you can see the hole. Okay, a negative and positive sign right here. I think I know that. I did physics. You do it like this. And when you want to remove it, you can't remove it like this, the same way you put it in. No, it doesn't give me much problem again this time. It's as simple as that. You do it for the two. And when you have put your battery, you switch it on towards this side, not this side anymore. The battery charger comes this way. In case you buy battery with your own, it comes this way, and to use the charger, the negative and positive sign, the area with it, you insert it just like this, the same way you insert the battery here. That's the same way you put it, and you remove it the same way you remove your battery. I'll go again. This is where you're putting it. This is the positive and negative sign, the upper part with the positive and negative sign. So you just like this, and you bring out this and plug it. When it is charging, it on a red light. When it is fully charged, it brings out a green light. So I want to put the two batteries now so that you can understand how it works. You see, immediately when I put it on, it's why? Because it was switched on battery. I didn't even know it was switched on battery. I just removed it so that you can see it. I pressed it this way before I put it on. So normally it's better you put it on neutral. This is the neutral. This is the neutral. This is light. It's presently connected to light. This is neutral. This is battery. To disconnect it from the light, I will remove this thing is going to block it. To disconnect it from the light, I remove it from here because it comes with a cable. So it is the cable that connects it with the light. This is the cable that connects it with the light. So this is it. So to connect it, you just simply plug it here. It's very simple. This place that has DC 15 voltage, you just, or volts, whatever, direct current. DC means direct current. So you just plug it. It's as simple as that. That's for the light. So now I've removed the light. So now that I have removed the light, when I put it on the light side, it's not going to on again. See, light is gone. So now I'm placing it back on neutral. Now I want to insert the battery. I've done it. I've inserted my battery, and now I switch it on to the battery. So this is what we've got. You see, there's no light anymore, and it has come out beautifully well. There's one more thing I would like to mention. Like I said earlier, it is like a studio light. People call it studio light because when I wanted to get it, when I asked them that do they have this kind of light, they say, oh, studio light. So because of that, I think photographers, or maybe photographers especially, they can use it as flash. They can use it as flash. It has a particular very nice effect, but not nice when you are doing a video because your eyes wants to go blind. I wouldn't want to say that, but it's actually very nice. So to get that that particular setup, you long click it. Can you see? You see, I'm not touching it again. No. So for photographers, probably they want to snap or something. Now it's like the effects are up to 4. This is the first one. This is the second one. This is the third effect. You can see 3, okay. And this is the final effect, SOS. Just keeps blinking. Pum, pum, pum. Maybe if you are doing videography and somebody want to die and they are in the hospital and they are showing that that I don't know the name, please. That stuff, ICU, is it ICU that used to read the breath of the person? Is about to do da, 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 da. Exactly. This light will just be just tutum, tutum. Or maybe someone wants to enter one dark hole. Actually, I'm just imagining. Okay, so that is everything about this light. So I think I've been able to dissect everything I've learned so far with this light, and it is very good and very bright. You can use it at night. It's going to look like day. It is really that bright, especially if you know how to set your light well. You understand? So that is that about that. I hope you're able to learn something and you won't have to go through so much troubles that I did went through. This is just to make things easier. I'm going to call it another special episode of the hints. Those are the kind of videos I do. I just talk on, lifestyle, marriage, love, and all. But this came in and I just thought I can teach anyone who might be in it. Thank you so much for watching. You can do well to check on the type of videos I drop. No problem. See you.